we're back with an idiot who has no idea what he's doing, but calls it YouTube videos anyways. Oh, hey. All this stuff is gone. This, still here. This, that guy. Kids in the background doing stuff because it's a weekend and it's a neighborhood and I live in it, so explains a lot. I have a mess of tools. I have a mess of parts. I have more mess of parts. That means it's average Joe builds, right? So, we're back. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to everybody who's been watching all the videos. I am bored. I tried to take the Fairmont out today and fix the last little bit of stuff, and it led to more problems. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all in here. Hey, grab that time. The car has just been nothing but a headache. Thought it was going to be a quick flip for the channel, you know, make some money, throw that at another project or two or something like that, and no. One thing after another with that, just like time 3 here. Sketch 10, whatever you want to call it. Little Victory Fabco is going to be helping me out with some pistons so I can rebuild this motor. It is Gen 4 rods, so I'm going to do Gen 4 pistons because the ones I have obviously have some valves stuck in them. And some mysterious breathing holes, we'll call them. But my allergies are killing me, so while I'm out back cleaning stuff and blowing my nose every 30 seconds or inhaling snot like that, sounds real sexy, doesn't it? I realized I gotta take that shed down. No more procrastinating. The shed has to come down for me to be able to put the concrete slab up or down, put the new shed up, be able to park a car next to it, etc., etc. So we see what's out there. Big blue. I sound so enthused about this because it's 90 something degrees. What does my phone say? My phone says it is a selfie. My phone says it is 84 degrees, so almost 90 degrees. It's pretty hot for Washington. Pacific Northwest people can feel me on that. It's not what you want to feel, but so like I said, well, I have some kids to deal with. They're not mine, they're the neighbors. Behold the big monstrosity that is blue. Blue is out here. Oh, I left the hood open. Look at that. This thing sat for so long that it had like built up. I mean, can you see this on camera? And yeah, it fired first click. Is the best thing in the world. So what I've done is chain strap with wifey's suggestion through window, and we're gonna see if it will pull one half of this down. I mean, if it pulls half down, then I can start tearing the other parts up. I can take it to the dump and do some dump runs, throw all that away, and that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be working for it. So I'm gonna get this chain up a little bit, tension on this guy, and we're gonna start off in 2-wheel drive and we're gonna see what happens. Yank on it in 2-wheel drive, and then we'll go from that to, if we need to, 4 high, 4 low, etc. And then talk about some other stuff, get this thing out front, and today is the day. I'm gonna undo the batteries, park it out front in front of the driveway, which means this officially gets taken down for a square max swap. Pretty stoked. But enough ramble, let's start pulling on some stuff.
sledgehammer time?
Yeah, it's gonna be stuck right there.
Hammer time. Da 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 da.
1994, the house used to be no limit over $100, like 100,000.
Oh, uh-huh.
Now it's 300.
Successfully. At least we can do the concrete pad now.
Yeah, there was a plug-in on the bottom.
I told you.
Yeah, look, the wires weren't attached to anything. Well, that worked.
What do we do now?
We gotta go to Home Depot and buy a big sledgehammer.
Okay, cool. This should be fun.
2,000 years later.
I am so tired. Who knew swinging a 10-pound sledgehammer for a while? Oh. Huh? What?
What'd you say?
I don't know. What did I say?
I heard I'm so tired.
Yeah, I am tired.
Oh, well, fucking
But look it.
God damn it, I love you.
But we made a hole.
I'm sorry.
Look, there's like a whole thingy that's knocked down. No homeless people making any comments about we destroyed a perfectly good house because no, there's a shed. You guys, calm down. But yeah, that's a lot bigger of a, looks like a damn tornado hit it. But that's what we've been doing all day. Big truck did what it was supposed to do. I'm gonna pause this so it's not so loud. Oh, fuck Jesus, that's not okay. Yeah, big truck is now out of commission. We got a little bit of a burnout from it. Parts ready, Duramax ready. I'm tired and ready, but now I gotta clean up the backyard, continue my day out, finishing this shed, and then edit and post the staying video. But with that, we're gonna let you guys go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Give me crap for tearing a shed down and having it flip over in my backyard, I guess. Plans never go the way they're supposed to. But here's a little bit of fun footage from the Fairmont today and beating on it, trying to get it to work. I did find out it does grab fourth gear, but it just slips fourth gear really badly. Something in the transmission or the converter, and I'm not sure. Let me know what you think I should do. Should I part that thing out? Should I just take the motor and put it in the Fairmont? If I keep it, I gotta pull the trans to send it to Doug, Little Victory Fabco, and have him go through it. And if I do that, the motor will just be there. I could just pull the intake off and drop it in. I'm walking with my arm extended. The little guy, he's just waiting. I mean, it still starts. Just makes funny noises. I don't know, let me know. Do I pull the motor from the Fairmont, toss it in there for the time being so we can at least drag race? Because that's just ready, just needs a bottom end. Do I just get the trans done and then get the, let me know what to do. I am at a loss. That's why the content has been down lately and I haven't been doing a bunch, is I just don't know what to do. I feel like everything is a bad move. If I put that together and you know, does it blow up? Do I not get views? You know, you guys let me know what to do. With that, we're out of here. Hellojojoe Builds, out.